Good morning, students. Welcome to the Moral Science class. Students, in the previous classes, you have learned the value of be self-dependent, pleasure of reading. Everyone has some skills. Now today, I am going to teach you the value which is essential for everyone. That is, be a brave child. Being brave means being fearless. Students, the value of being brave means being fearless. A brave child accepts the challenges in life. The value of bravery leads to get success in life. A brave person never loses hope. He never let him down in any situation. Now we will learn the value be a brave child with the help of some pictures. Meet her, she is Ria. Ria's father gifted her a bicycle on her birthday. Today it's her first ride. She is very excited to ride it. She is riding a bicycle fearlessly as she knows the value of being brave. On the other hand, Ronit is also learning to ride a bicycle. He is very nervous to ride it. This shows that he does not know the value of being brave. This is Hannah. Hannah is giving her singing performance beautifully. She is facing the audience bravely. This shows that she knows the value of being brave. Now see, Hannah's friend Elsa is not willing to give her singing performance. She is scared to see the audience. This shows that she does not know the value of being brave. Now students, meet our today's heroes. They are helping us to fight against the deadly disease COVID-19. This shows that they know the value of being brave. Students, fears are nothing more than a state of mind. Now, source of inspiration. Do you know, students, who is this girl? This is a water girl. Bhakti Sharma. She is the first Asian woman and the youngest swimmer in the world. She set a record in open swimming Antarctic waters. She has swum all the 5 oceans of the world. She faced bravely the high tides of the oceans as she knows the value of being brave. She was also awarded the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award. Now next picture is of Sudha Chandran. Sudha Chandran is an Indian film and television actress. She is also a Bharatnatyam dancer. She hurt her leg in road accident. Her leg became badly infected. It was the toughest time for her. But she faced the situation bravely. She also got Golden Patel Award for power. Students, we should make ourselves strong and bravely face the difficult situation. Students, remember one thing. Being brave does not mean that you do an act of folly. Playing with fire, using sharp objects, teasing stray animals, and playing on the road. These such activities are not the act of bravery. These are the act of foolishness. So, we should avoid such activities. I hope you have learned the value of being brave very well. Now we will learn more about this value through our lesson Be a Brave Child. Before reading a chapter, let's go through its big picture. In this chapter, we will discuss the meaning of the value of being brave. Where is it required? Advantages of following this value. Disadvantages of not following this value. We will also discuss the story based on this value. After reading the chapter, we will discuss different situations related to this value. Now objectives. The main objective of this value is to tell you the importance of being brave. The act of bravery helps us to face the difficult situations in life. Now students, take out your life skills book and open at page number 5. Be a brave child. Underline the word brave. Write down its meaning, fearless. Being brave means being fearless. Rohit is a fearless child. Underline the word fearless. Write down its meaning, brave. He can enter a dark room all alone. He accepts challenges fearlessly. Underline the word challenges. Write down its meaning, difficult task. He is mentally bold. Underline the word bold. Write down its meaning, fearless or strong. We are talking about Rohit, who is a brave child, who is not scared of dark. He accepts all the challenges bravely. He is mentally strong. Now think and write. Rohit is a brave boy. Are you also a brave child? Write yes or no for the following. Students, you have to answer the following questions in the form of yes or no. Number 1. Can you enter a dark room alone? Number 2. Do you get afraid on hearing a thunder? Underline the word thunder. Write down its meaning, a loud noise in the sky during storm. Number 3. Do you get afraid in taking up a challenge? Number 4. Do you take part in competitions fearlessly? Underline the word competitions. Write down its meaning, contest. Now students, answer these questions wisely. We will continue the rest of the lesson in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.